Good morning, all of you. Respected Principal of RBH Junior College, PC Patil Madam, respected Vice Principal, Gaikwad Madam, and all of my dear students. Today is the 28th of February, National Science Day. On this special occasion, myself, Srimati Sheetal Yashawale, Assistant Teacher in Chemistry, giving you a small speech. National Science Day is celebrated in India on 28 February every year. But do you know why we celebrate National Science Day on 28 February and what are the objectives of celebrating this day? The day is celebrated to mark the discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C.V. Raman on 28 February 1928. For his contribution in the field of science, Sir Raman was awarded with a Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930. Raman effect explains the effect on the scattering of light when light passing through different materials. The famous quote given by Sir C.V. Raman was, "I am the master of my failure. If I never fail, how will I ever learn?" By celebrating this day as a National Science Day, we show our dignity and respect to the famous Indian physicist for his contribution in the field of science. The Government of India observed first National Science Day on 28 February 1987. The basic objective of celebrating this day is to spread the message about the importance of science used in daily life of peoples and also create opportunities for young generations to display their activities, efforts and achievements in the field of science for human welfare. Other objective also there is the other objective of celebrating this day is to develop the scientific attitude in peoples. Scientific attitude is a state of mind which does not accept anything but accept only truths. A way of thinking logically and rationally. Scientific attitude will lead to develop questioning and reasoning ability in the peoples. The event is celebrated across the country in schools, colleges, universities, and also in scientific research institutions. Every year, the day is celebrated with a particular theme. This year, in 2021, the theme of National Science Day is the future of STI. That is, future impact of science, technology, and innovation in the field of education and work. Science, technology, and innovation are the essential parts of economic and social development of our country. As a students, it is our responsibility to honor the great Indian man and his invention by contributing greatly to the field of science through innovation. There is the one saying, lastly, I say that the science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Jai Hind and thank you.